everybody, thank you for watching Cruise Travel Videos channel. In the previous clip I began to show you how to get from Rome to Civitavecchia cruise port, and we stopped after the train journey right in front of the railway station in Civitavecchia. Let's continue from where we left off, and I will show you now how to get to the cruise port. Better said, how to get to your ship without paying anything. First, let me tell you what you can choose from. There are several options to get from the train station to the cruise ship. If you choose a local private transport or taxi, you have to find out before if they have permits to access Civitavecchia port, otherwise they will not be able to drive you right under your ship. But do not worry, I found enough private online transport companies to offer this service. If you choose a more affordable transport option, you have two choices. The public bus combined with a free shuttle bus, or some walking combined with a free shuttle bus. If you choose the bus option, then it's simple. Take the bus right in front of your train station, which will take you to the service center Largo della Pace, from where you take the free shuttle bus assigned to your cruise ship. The Portlink bus costs €2 and goes every 20 to 30 minutes. But when the train arrives, it is quite crowded here and you may not get on the first bus. Show you now the walking route, so it's time to talk about the free option. Pay attention, the things gets a little tricky, but it's all very doable. This is the way I would choose. I've done it several times and I'm comfortable to do it again. This option involves some walking along with the luggage you might have. To choose this option, you need to know where your ship is docked. Rome Cruise Terminal is divided in two areas, a main part where we find piers 10 to 13 Bs and a secondary area with a pier 25 north and south. If you need to go to the main area where the most ships are docked, you must walk from the railway station about 7 to 8 minutes, enter the port area at the entrance of Varco Fortezza, then go behind Fort Michelangelo until you reach Bramante bus station, from where you get the free shuttle bus directly to your ship. If you need to go to the secondary area, Pier 25, you must walk about 15 minutes to Service Center Largo della Pace, from where you take the free shuttle bus assigned to your cruise ship. There is no bus station along the route. This walking option will not cost you anything. But I would say that you must have acceptable physical condition, because you will have to travel 1 kilometer or a mile depending on the area where the cruise ship is, along with the luggage on a road mostly with pavements or some bumps, and in sunny days this can be extenuating. I've seen enough people walking this way on foot, so it's up to you. Either way, I wish you happy cruising. found this video useful for your next travel. If you liked it, please hit the button and subscribe to our channel for more cruise and travel videos.